Here's the T12 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. The iPhone that I'm using here is a iPhone 16e. So the first thing is we want to take the earbuds out of the case and make sure that they're in pairing mode, okay? So go ahead and pull these out and then turn these over here and then wait a few moments, and you'll know that it's in pairing mode if one of the earbuds is blinking green, okay? None of these is blinking green. The reason is because I'm actually connected to another phone here. So let me go to my other phone first. This is my Android phone here. Let me go to settings. I'm going to go to connections, and I'm going to go to Bluetooth here. And you can see I'm paired and connected to this device here, okay? So I can either disconnect or delete it from the pair of this, or I can just turn off Bluetooth. I turn off Bluetooth, watch the earbuds. As soon as I turn off Bluetooth, look at the earbuds up. One of them is blinking green. Now it's in pairing mode, okay? So now let's go to our iPhone here. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And that little spinny thing under here is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. These are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking green, 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 and it did find the T12s. I'll tap on that right there, and voila, we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting problems, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the link in the description area.